Before you scroll, give me just 1 minute because what I'm about to show you is one of the simplest drinks you can make at home. And yet most people completely overlook it. This isn't some expensive supplement. This is something you can make in your own kitchen, using ingredients you probably already have. Let's start. Take a small pot and add a few cloves. Cloves might look tiny, but they're incredibly powerful. They've been used for centuries to support digestion and fight inflammation. Now take some fresh ginger. Chop it finely and add it to the pot. Ginger is one of the best natural ingredients for boosting circulation and helping your body feel lighter and more active. Next comes turmeric. Cut a small piece, chop it up, and add it in. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Now drop in a stick of cinnamon. Cinnamon not only adds a rich flavor, but it also helps support blood sugar balance and metabolism. At this point, your pot already smells amazing. Now pour in hot water and let everything simmer for a few minutes. This step is important because it allows all the natural compounds to infuse into the water. After that, give it a good stir and let it cool slightly. Now take one fresh lemon, cut it into small pieces and squeeze it into the drink. Lemon adds vitamin C and gives it that fresh, tangy kick your body loves. And finally, add a spoon of honey. This balances the flavor and makes the drink smooth and enjoyable. Mix everything well, and your drink is ready. Warm, simple, and full of natural ingredients your body recognizes. You can drink this in the morning or in the evening. Just make it part of your routine and notice how you feel over time. Sometimes it's not about doing something extreme. It's about small daily habits that quietly support your body. Now I'm curious, where are you watching this from? Drop your country in the comments. I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, hit like and follow for more simple, practical health tips like this. See you in the next one.